Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius. Huh. Just maxing and relaxing. It's a little hard for me because right now the holiday season is upon us, which means it's time to start shopping for holiday gifts. So I need some winter solstice gift ideas for the rest of the crew. So, with your help, yeah, a variety of cat-themed little gifts. The only way to figure out what all it is, I say, let's open it up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus, who is shockingly still. Here, before this goes flying. And on today's episode, we're doing a little bit of holiday shopping, cat-themed style. So, managed to summon some relatively, I believe, all like under $20 kind of fun little gift ideas for friends, family, or your Z's Toy Box crew. We're first going to start with the secret cat cult, where everyone's welcome. Just from the description, it is a little cult of cat playset. The back of the package does say, please recycle. It's always a good reminder. Oh my gosh. It is a legit tiny little room. Oh my god, there's a little bird that I do believe is going to be the dinner. I gotta say, the artwork, just for the box alone, is kind of epic. So the box itself is a little play set. And then you get all these little cat figurines. Now, I'm especially excited for this because now I'm gonna have to do a little painting, but one's gonna be Zeus, and then one's gonna be, we have Zeus's cousins, Hades, Hermes, Persephone, Max, and Marigold. So a little painting. This cat cult's gonna be Zeus's extended cat family. So here's the little altar with the bird. So here's 3 of our little friends and 3 more. I gotta say, there's actually a surprising amount of detail. I think I'm gonna set it up somewhere, but you're gonna have to set it somewhere low so you can see down in it, because this is a really cute little box too. Next on our list is the Zen Garden litter box. And if you need a little zen in your life, also have a cat, I don't suggest doing it with the real one. This requires some setup. So first of all, it comes with the Zen litter box gardening guide. I will actually be reading this because it's a little history on Zen gardening and then some Zen quotes with some cute little cat pictures inside. So we have, oh my god, look at the tiniest little rake. Oh dear, are you gonna let this happen? Bag of sand. Zeus, be nice. We put it all in. We just did. No. Okay, you already just put your toes in it, didn't you? Just don't do your business in it. Oh no. No. Don't give me my rake. Give me my rake. Alright. And I feel the best part. 2 little kitties to set up in. I'd love to show you more, but someone is determined to eat both the rocks, sand, and little rake. And last but not least, the Lucky Cat game by Ridley Games. Okay, the packaging alone, 5 stars. Basically what it is, we're not going to do a full play because, as you can see, this one likes to interact with things. There's going to be cards everywhere. I'll open her up to reveal just some cards. So you can see the art is adorable. Basically, each cat is a style of little Lucky Cat, and the whole point of the game is you're getting a full set of either one whole color, so like all the green kitties, or one whole number. I believe the numbers go through from 1 to 7, so you might be trying to get all 1s. You might be trying to get all reds, or you might be trying to get all 5s. And with each turn, you have to both discard and pick up a card, which then leaves the next person discard, or they can pick up from the main pile or your own pile. And again, it was a little complicated first, but as we started going, it's actually a pretty fast-paced game, and you really get the hang of it fast. And it was actually really enjoyable. I could deal you in. No, I don't think that's gonna end well. So there you have it. Holidays are upon us. If you're looking for any little activities, little gift ideas for friends, family, maybe even if your place of work has a secret kind of gift exchange for under, I believe, 20, around 10, not a bad price for some cute gifts for the cat lover that you might know. Cat lover could be yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Listen, you started me on a cat theme. We just roam. It might be something feline related. How do I deny this little child all this cute? Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye! And here we have the Zen Garden litter box, the Secret Cat Cult, and the Lucky Cat card game. All your holiday shopping for any cat lover you know is now complete. You are welcome.